So I found this thing at the curb. I don't know how long ago, but the cord on it is shot for sure. No idea if this piece of junk will turn on. Got some cracking going on the dustbin. Got some fraying on the cord, so we're gonna have to address that before I even try to plug it in. So another spot up here. Cord is in really bad shape. Even the turbo tool looks like crap. And you know it's bad because it's got, the original owner put these two junky filters underneath the handle here. There's no filter inside it, but that's okay for Hank's garage. Let's get this cord fixed up. See what we can do with it. I can hear the switch. And the brush roll spins, which means the motor is spinning. So let me address this cord real fast. What I'm gonna do is basically just shorten it and then connect the wires back together with some wire nuts. And we'll see if we can get this thing to turn on. So, just did that. There's the offending pieces. Here's the plug. Let's see what happens. I have not tried to turn this thing on. I don't think it's going to turn on, but I might be surprised. Holy crap. No way. That is hilarious. Oh, this thing stinks. This thing smells so bad. I can't believe this thing turned on. This has been outside for who knows how long before I picked it up when it was tossed to the curb. And it's been sitting over on my trailer with all the other junkers in the hot California summer sun for who knows how long at this point. Just baking in the sun. Those plastics are done for, but man, this thing starts and runs. I mean, it's never gonna be used as a vacuum again. This is gonna end up being scrapped, but that's just hilarious to me that this thing turned on after just being out in the elements for who knows how long. I don't even know how old it is. And we're not gonna know because I think the label's gone. The label's normally like right there. Unless, did they move it on these? Let me check. They might have moved it. Nope, not there. Not seeing it anywhere else. So I have no idea how old this thing actually is because there's no model number or label on it, which that would be the tell based on the serial number, but it looks like that's just long gone. But I mean, who knows, 5 years old? No idea. But the fact that this piece of junk works is just, that's kind of amazing to me. It's got the typical swivel lean to it. That pivot point right there that goes into the power nozzle, those almost always are worn out by the time I get a hold of them. This one's not as bad as I've seen, surprisingly, but it's pretty bad. In fact, yeah, it don't even hold to this side. Anyways, you all can stay tuned for the inevitable durability test on this machine. Hopefully we'll have some fun with it.